Hello everyone, my name is Jay. I'm one of the expert PTE teachers here at E2 Language. What we're going to do in this lesson is some speed reading for PTE Academic. As you are well aware, you need to manage your own time in the reading section of the PTE, which means that you do need to read at a certain pace. And if you read too slowly, you may not make it to the end of this section. That doesn't happen very often, but it is just a good thing to be able to build up your speed reading capacity. So that's what we're going to practice in this class. How it's going to work is like this. I'm going to show you a text. You have to read the text. You'll have 120 seconds or 2 minutes to read the text. Then I'm going to show you 10 questions, multiple choice questions, and you have to try to answer those 10 questions from your memory of what you read because you will not see the text. So the key to this one is, yes, you have to read quite efficiently, quite quickly, but also you need to try to read deeply and get the meaning into your brain, because then when you see the questions, you won't be seeing the text. Of course, it's different in the PTE, but this is how we're going to practice our speed reading techniques. Okay, so I did it before, and this is how I went. So I managed to read the text in 90 seconds, which is 367 words per minute, and my score was 9 out of 10. Okay, so I did miss one. Admittedly, I did guess a lot of them, and surprisingly, I actually got most of them right. I was quite surprised. I'm going to give you 120 seconds, so another 30 seconds on top, which is 275 words per minute. And I want you to tell me in the comments below what score you get out of 10, okay? It'll be interesting. And we're going to do these over the next few weeks. We're going to continue building up our speed reading capacity using these exercises. Okay, you ready? You're going to have to read for 2 minutes. It's split into 2 texts. And then you're going to answer 10 questions. Let's do it. So, whoops, I should mention, before you do that, I want you to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 on a piece of paper, because you will write the multiple choice answers next to these numbers. Okay, so we're going to look at the article or the text. It's titled Life in the South Pacific Islands. This is from research from Quinn, Nation and Millet on speed reading. Your time starts now. This is the first half. Twenty seconds left. Okay, this is the second half. Okie dokie. Now answer these 10 questions. Here's question 1. Remember to write your answer on a piece of paper. Here's question 2. Here's question 3. Question 4. Question 5. Question 6. Question 7. Question 8. Question 9. Question 10. Okay, how did you go there? I'm going to show you the answers in a second, which will be interesting, but you were just reading at 275 words per minute. Maybe that was too fast for you, or maybe that was just about right, or maybe it was a bit too slow for you. In fact, maybe you can read a little bit more quickly than that. Let's determine how accurate you are now with your speed reading. Let's go through the answers. So the answer to question 1 is B, 2B, 3C, 4D, 5D, 6A, 7C, 8C, 9C, and 10A. Feel free to pop your score into the comments below. Cool. So, how did you go? Put your score into the comments below so I can see what the average score was. Maybe next time we do this, I'll give you a little bit more time or maybe a little bit less time. It depends on what the average score is below. But this is a good practice to do, to time yourself, put yourself under test conditions, do some speed reading, and then try to see if you can remember what the answers were in the text, okay? This is a good thing to do, a good thing to build up your speed reading skills. Cool, that's all from me. We'll do more of this soon. Remember to check out the website at e2language.com. We have a number of different courses up there for PT, including the new Express package, all the way up to the Platinum package. And don't forget to check out e2school.com. So e2school.com is a parallel or sister website to E2 Language. E2 Language concentrates on test preparation. E2 School concentrates on more of the fundamental skill building like vocab, grammar, and pronunciation. We have some great courses on E2 School, including Speaking Lab for pronunciation, Test Ready, which is like a vocabulary in context type course for your PTE or your IELTS even. We have Grammar Review, and we have General English coming as well. Anyway, cool. Thanks for coming along. I hope that was helpful. I hope you have sped up your reading skills. My name is Jay. I will see you soon.